Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get zeros to stay in Excel. First, select the cells where you want leading zeros to appear. Then, open the Format Cells dialog box, which you can do by pressing Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. From the category list on the left, choose Custom. This allows you to define a specific display format for your numbers, ensuring those important leading zeros remain visible. Once in the Custom category, you'll see a Type field. Here, you'll enter the desired number of zeros. For example, if you need a 5-digit number with leading zeros, type 00000. This tells Excel to always display 5 digits, padding with zeros if necessary. Remember, this only changes how the number looks, not its underlying value, which is perfect for things like product codes or zip codes. Hey everyone, if you're finding these Excel tips helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Speaking of keeping things organized, especially your data in Excel, it reminds me of keeping your meals organized too. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof food containers. They're super handy for keeping your food fresh. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Another simple way to keep leading zeros is to precede your number with an apostrophe. This tells Excel to treat the entry as text. Alternatively, you can format the entire column or specific cells as text before you even start typing. For more dynamic situations, the text function in a formula can also pad numbers with zeros, giving you flexibility for various data needs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.